your biceps in your arm, and because it's in your arm, biceps brachii instead of biceps femoris. So biceps brachii has two heads. That's why it's biceps. Yeah. Okay. So it's kind of counterintuitive, but the one that looks longer coming up here is going to be the short head, and the one that's lateral is going to be the long head. So someone point to me. Whoa. That confused you. Okay, where's the short head? Good. Short head's short head's on this side. That's the short head. So don't ever forget. Alright. Then under the biceps brachii, you have your brachialis. This is just brachialis. And it gets kind of confusing because you also have like a brachioradialis then right down yonder, but you're not getting there yet. So brachialis.
Brachialis.
Brachialis. Okay. So this guy right here, this little one, is your coracobrachialis. You can remember that one because the skeleton, you actually right here with your scapula going kind of like this. This is your coracoid process. The coracobrachialis comes right off of that and comes down. So if there was bone here, the coracoid process would be right under that. So coracobrachialis right next to your brachialis. Good. Backside is your triceps. Tri meaning yay. Alright, so triceps, you have your long head, your lateral head, and then medial head wrapping around the bottom. So long has like the longest look to it. That's how you know it's the long head. The lateral head is, if we're looking at anatomical, it's going to be to the lateral side of the body, whereas the long is more posterior. So long, lateral, and medial. So that's that. Actually, I'll have you guys point to it later. But again, that's triceps brachii. This was biceps brachii. This is brachialis and coracobrachialis. Good? Alright, moving on. So then up here in your shoulder, you have three muscles that sound very similar, and they have almost the exact same name as on the scapula. So this is going to be your supraspinatus right here, and where it corresponds to is it fits right in this little fossa right here called your suprascapular fossa. So suprascapula, supraspinatus, they're in the same spot. Okay? And then under that, we have your infraspinatus, like we have the infrascapular fossa. So supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and then on the back, we have subscapularis, just like we have the subscapular fossa. It corresponds for once, so be thankful for that. So one more time, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, subscapularis, and then we just have two more right here. The top one is going to be teres minor, and the bottom one is teres major. So it goes minor and major. Minor is always on the top. Okay? It goes for the rhomboids too when you're looking at the back. The smaller one is on the top, and the bigger one, the major, is on the bottom. Okay? So, let's do a quick quiz. Figure these things out. Then we're going to take the deltoid off, because we all know the deltoid, right? Okay. So, I don't know names for this table, or for any table, for that matter. I can pick out some people, but I'm just going to kind of point, okay? So, would you like to point to me the coracobrachialis? Good job. All right. Can you find for me the lateral head of the triceps? Good. Can you find the coracoid process of the scapula? Good. Perfect. And then go for the acromion process of the scapula.
Acromion process, that's where the... All right. Sorry, I'm bad at this. It corresponds with this flat one, right? In the back?
That's subscapularis. So acromion is going to be right here.
Oh, the acromion, okay.
So again, this is acromion process, coracoid process, and glenoid fossa.
And where does the chromium, the process, what does it interact with, the chromium?
The coracoid process interacts with the coracobrachialis.
Right.
But other than that, the three muscles, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and subscapularis, those are the muscles that interact with these. This is going to be the suprascapular fossa, infrascapular fossa, and subscapular fossa.
All right. I'm bad. It takes me long.
Well, you guys kind of went over it now, so it's kind of good. Still a little better, maybe. Good. All right. Awesome. Thank you.